Is it working?
Okay, give me your hand.
Okay, Rhiannon getting her nose pierced. She's gonna cry. She's gonna cry. Yummy! Give me your freaking. She
It'll be fine.
Wait, I have
It'll
a
be
baby.
over in 2 seconds.
She's a baby.
Okay,
Alright.
can I close my eyes?
Yep. Okay, you can
Ow,
put
ow,
that
my
in.
hand.
And out. One more time. In. And out.
Ow, ow.
There it is.
My hand! My hand!
Almost done.
That's, ew, that's gross. Ew. My hand cutting circulation.
Just keep breathing.
Okay, that really hurt.
Ow, 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 ow.
Almost done.
I think it's bleeding. I can feel it running down.
No, it's not.
Don't touch it.
It is.
Oh.
Just a little bit.
Lovely.
Stop in 1 second.
Is that bad?
Nope.
I'm crying.
I told you.
It's just a little tear.
I know.
I'm crying. Okay, let go of my hand now. Ow, look at that. Let me see it. It's kind of gross.
I'm kind of crying. Oh, I can feel the blood inside my nose.
Don't touch it.
No. This is gonna hurt.
We'll stop in a second.
Can I stop the video?
You lie.